The reason that I came here is because my dentist recommended that I come here before I get any additional treatment. My teeth were in really bad shape. I had significant bone loss, I had deep pockets in my gums, the roots of my teeth were having trouble just staying in, and I had a lot of mobility in my teeth. You know, you don't expect to wiggle your teeth and have them move after the age of 4 or 5, I guess, but the thing is that the reason I came here is because I was in desperate need of some severe dental treatment before my dentist was even comfortable cleaning my teeth again. As far as treatment, Dr. Sams suggested that I go through a pretty extensive series of cleanings, deep cleanings and scalings, both on my teeth and under the gum line as well. I had significant bone loss. I had what are called pockets between my teeth, which basically the roots of my teeth were starting to get exposed and starting to become extremely loose. I had a lot of mobility with my teeth. And again, like I said, constant bleeding when I would brush. And so after about a 6-month treatment, a couple of treatments over 6 months, I should say, I started feeling those gums firm up, being less tender, being a lot more strong, less mobility. And my pockets actually decreased by more than 50%, which is pretty amazing, actually. The staff here is extremely friendly. They're very good at what they do. And they're good about consulting each other. You know, I had 3 different people look at my teeth, including Dr. Sams, and design a treatment plan specifically for me. That's something that's very rare in the dental profession. Usually I go to a dentist and that dentist will say, hey, do this, that, or the other. But here it was like a real team effort. Working with Stephanie, my hygienist, has been amazing. She has been so friendly, so kind, and yet so professional. And I could tell from a 7-hour session, that she really cared, because she always made sure I was comfortable. She always made sure that if I started to hurt a little bit, she would stop and readdress the anesthesia or whatever we needed to do to keep going through that. And she never seemed to get anxious or exhausted even after 7 hours. She was with me the whole time. And then when I returned after a few months, she was right there with me, and she has been facilitating that comprehensive plan that this team helped design to save my teeth. The real significant change after this treatment was that for years, bleeding gums, I was so used to it, now they're gone. I can brush my teeth. Plus, what also changed for me, this team is so good about educating on home maintenance and how to really clean your teeth that I implemented some new home practices that really made a significant difference. I had always been, I guess, flossing, but not flossing quite the right way. I was given some advice to try some different flossing techniques using some gum brushes and things, and it has made a dramatic difference in my breath, in the health of my teeth. They don't ache like they used to, and again, no bleeding. So it's been an extremely positive, kind of life-changing experience. Everybody here has been extremely professional. The treatment's been extremely successful. And as I've said before, it feels good to be able to smile now, where before I kind of hid my teeth a little bit. I'm so glad that my dentist sent me here. It's been an amazing experience. They gave me my smile back.